All right, let's jump into the weekly trade recap for the week ending May 26th. We're heading into the Memorial Day weekend here. Strong up note for the market today as well. We had a good day. Portfolio had a significantly high up day today. So all good stuff happening today. So let's jump into the weekly trades that we had. Starting with trades from beginning of the week, we had a Pepsi put butterfly that we closed for a $310 winner on the 22nd on Monday. We also had a McDonald's put butterfly also closed for a small winner on Monday. Then we had a 2 DTE iron Condor that we also closed on Monday for a nice $250 winner on that particular one. Moving on to Tuesday, the 23rd, we closed a Google call butterfly for a nice $104 winner in 12 days. Then also on the 23rd, we closed a FUTU leap put for $69. Small winner, got that off the books and kept rocking and rolling. We did take a loss on a IWM leap put. We decided to just close it out and move on and redeploy the income. So if you were following what we were doing on those, that was the reason for that. We indicated that on the 23rd on there. We did close the put debit spread in one of our oil iron Condors. We took in a 0.32 cents credit on that. So that was a great little move for us to lock in the trap on that. And then we'll let the naked puts expire on June 14th. So we've locked in a 191% winner on that trade. Didn't count that in the overall gains for the week, even though it's a nice $320 winner. I didn't count that in the overall gains. I'll just count that when we close the whole trade. Next was on Wednesday, our weekly strangle strategies. We closed both a gold strangle and an ES strangle. On the gold strangle, $470 winner in 28 days in that trade. Nice 43.5% premium capture on that one. Then also on Wednesday, we closed our weekly ES strangle for $538. Again, 28 days in that trade, nearly 40% premium capture on that as well. So loving those weekly strangles, probably the most productive by buying power strategy that we run. We also closed a gold 112 trade for $760 winner as well. That was yesterday. We closed that 50 days in that trade, 230% winner on that trade. So a great 112 trade on gold that we closed. Some of the folks in the Mr. Top Take Income Navigator service actually closed it for a little bit larger credit than I did. I closed early for $430 credit, and many of the others closed it for between $8 and $10 credits. They've actually doubled my returns. It's all good. Then also yesterday, we closed a SPX put butterfly that expired. $425 loss. It's okay. It's cost of doing business. It's a hedge that we had on and closed that particular one out as well. And then we also closed a call spread that we had put on Amazon yesterday. That closed for a 50% winner, a really 48.7% winner, $190 to the plus side. Only 3 days in trade on that one. It brings us to today. So today's trades, 2 losers, 1 winner. Today we had a BABA call butterfly that we had put on back on the 11th. We paid 84 cents to put that on. It expired worthless today. We lost $168 on that one. But we've had so many good butterfly trades go our way. So it's all good to lose 1 or 2 here and there. We did lose pretty good on a Amazon covered call today. It was going to expire today at 118. I left it on today. Was not expecting Amazon to keep running another 5 to 7% higher on the day. So it just knocked us out on this trade. However, this is a covered call against a synthetic stock position that we have on. So while we lost $879 on this particular covered call because Amazon closed up over $120 or at $120 or so on the day, our underlying synthetic stock gained $1,475 today alone. So I'm okay taking losses on covered calls. It's not my favorite thing, but that means that the underlying is running higher. And because it's a synthetic stock long, where we own calls and short puts on this, we get some really good juice on the stock moving higher. So I'll take the small loss here to make a couple $1,000 additional. So, and then the final trade on the day was we jumped in early and we scalped some ES futures here. Not a huge winner on the day, but we'll take it. So a little bit of a scalp here on these futures. The nice thing about this was we took out $188 in, I don't know, about 4 minutes worth of work. We probably could have left it on and made quite a bit more, but we'll take the gains. So that puts us in the still the nice plus side for the week. We ended up $1,554 to the good for the week. And that puts us at $7,690 in income realized already for the month. That doesn't count that $300 and some in the PDS that I took in. We'll realize that next month. Even though technically we closed it this month. So we're right at that 3% gain for the month with 3 more days to go. No trading on Monday, so we won't have any opportunity there. Hopefully Theta just continues to decay, but having a really good month so far. If you like hearing these recaps, you like the strategy you're hearing, please go ahead and hit that like button. Leave comments if you have any questions. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And then also we've been posting a little series started today. Will be another one tomorrow and Sunday, a whole series on how to create a trading plan. I'll be sharing my strategies with you, my trading plan with you. So if you like that, subscribe, and hopefully you get something out of that. Everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you all at trading next Tuesday.